How to log in Axis Bank Gold Loan account online. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your preferred web application, and at the top search bar you have to type in axisbank.com. Once done, you will land onto a page like this. Under here you will see a login option. Click onto it and select if it's for business or personal. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and click on personal login. Once you do so, you will see a page like this. On your left hand side, you have to click on to your login ID and enter your customer or your login ID. Once done, you have to enter your password at the password box. And under login directly to, select it and click on to loan option. Once done, click on to login. If your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your Axis Bank account. Once you're inside your account, you have to click on to loans, and from there you have to select gold loan. And just like so, this is how it can be done. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If you'd like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload.